here's a case study that shows the successful implementation of a controlled document system in SharePoint for Rincon Technology. For context, Rincon is a US-based telecom specialist that helps organizations save money and reduce waste by essentially reusing and reselling network hardware. So over 95% of the gear they handle gets a second life. So think about wastage saved, which is really good from a sustainability point of view as well, which is excellent. And yeah, they've helped their customers obviously save on that with the second-hand gear too, which is great. So Rincon, they set out to achieve the ISO 27001 accreditation, and essentially the accreditation really complicated, but it means that they face challenges in terms of managing hundreds of documents. It was policies, processes, approvals, version control, everything. That's where we stepped in here at Valto. So we designed and deployed a custom SharePoint solution that gave them centralized document storage, automated approvals, integration with Teams, that strict version control that they were looking for, and role-based security as well. So not everybody has access to every single piece of documentation. You obviously needed to be part of a certain permission group as well. And the outcome was really clear. You know, Rincon passed their audits with flying colours. They saved a huge amount of time on document handling, and they now have a reusable system in place for future certifications, all built on Microsoft licenses that they owned already. We simply just came in and improved the SharePoint environment that they had access to begin with. And as their CIO, Peter Blair, put it, we passed all our audits with flying colours and never could have done that without all the documents organized so cleanly in the Valto solution on SharePoint. So really great example of a CIO that's seen the benefits of SharePoint, that has access to this system already. We've came in, we fine-tuned it for them, and it's a really great way of being able to showcase what a successful documentation system looks like here within SharePoint.